Hey everyone, Vinayak here. I've used multiple hard drive enclosures before, which allows converting an internal hard drive into an external one, allowing you to carry it around. And with M.2 NVMe drives becoming more and more common, you might have a spare drive perchance. It may not be useful to you within your system as you could have all your slots full and don't want this drive to go waste. This NVMe drive I have came out of a laptop which I upgraded to a 1 TB drive. The drive has been lying around on the side, but to breathe new life into it, I purchased an NVMe enclosure. But how well does it work? Watch on to find out. Here we have the ORICO M2PV C3 M.2 NVMe enclosure. The top's made of aluminium alloy to act as the heat spreader. 10 Gbps max transfer speed and UASP is also supported. Even though it's marked at 10 Gbps, it's gigabits per second. Let's get into the box. Within, we have a USB-A to a USB-C cable. This is what most of us would use. We have a screwdriver, screws and rubber mounting grommets are also provided. Also included is a USB-C to USB-C cable. And here's the manual. Make sure to read through for installation and NVMe compatibility. Now for the NVMe enclosure itself. We have this aluminum cover on top shaped like a heatsink, and the ORICO branding is also available on the side, and the bottom is made of ABS. A thermal pad is also included. The top cover slides off like so, and we can see the M.2 adapter inside. It supports various NVMe sizes like 2230, 2242, 2260 and 2280. 22 mm is the width, and the second number after that is the length of the NVMe drive. And we also have a USB-C port over here. Here's the NVMe port. It supports both M and B+M SSDs. Here's the SSD I salvaged from the laptop. It's only 256 GB in capacity, but that would be enough for emergency data backups. The SSD takes the entire length, which is 2280 in size. And here are the screws and the rubber grommets. Here's the adapter board out, and on the bottom we have the controller, which is the RTL9210 by Realtek. Let's install the grommet. Install it as per the length of your drive, and it's easy to install, and a second one is provided in case this one gets damaged. And this is how it looks. Now for the drive. This is an M-key NVMe. Match the slot and push the drive in. That's it. Pull the grommet back and rest it on the drive. Now the drive is installed, as easy as that. The top cover is made of an aluminium alloy which allows transfer of heat from the drive. But to make better contact between the drive and the cover, we need to install the thermal pad. The thermal pad has peels on the top and bottom to reveal the adhesive. Peel the bottom and place it on the drive. Once done, peel off the top film and we can see that it is flush within the bottom case. Now slide the metal cover over it and fasten it down with the provided screw, and we are ready to use the drive. I am using the USB-A to USB-C cable provided with the enclosure. Quite a short cable, but most of us would use it with a laptop so the drive can sit flat on the table. Once connected, now we can connect it to a USB port on the laptop or on the desktop, as I'm going to do it. The LED lights up when you have any activity on the drive, and when it's connected, it lights up blue. And once connected, we can see the drive pop up within Windows Explorer. The drive in the enclosure was already initialized, hence it popped up instantly. If you are using a brand new NVMe SSD, you will need to initialize it before using. Let's run Crystal Disk Mark to test the performance of the drive. The theoretical limit of the drive is 1250 Mbps, which is 10 gigabits per second. As this drive is not that fast, it's peaking at 420 Mbps. The enclosure also connects with your phone, so you can back up photos while traveling. So what did I think of the ORICO M.2 NVMe enclosure? Design wise, it looks good and is quite sleek. The aluminum alloy cover helps in dissipating the heat, and the ABS body is strong too. It performed as expected, and the speeds are dependent on the type of drive you're using, which is expected of a USB 3.1 Gen 2 drive. The price is much lower compared to other big brand enclosures and provides the same performance. If you have a spare NVMe drive and want to use it as an external drive, this enclosure does its work well. And the transfer speeds are much higher than mechanical hard drives, so having a fast and resistant to movement and shock external drive is a plus. So what do you think? Do you use an external drive enclosure? Which one do you use? And make sure you comment below. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.